What is GoPlus security token? So this token came under the symbol of GPS. So as you can see, this is their X account. They have 500,000 followers and they have 2,394 posts. So if you go to their website, as you can see, so you can find it on CoinMarketCap too. So if you click on their website, as you can see, so this is their website, as you can see. So if you want to know more about this token, go and click on docs. So after that, this page will pop up here. So as you can see, what is GoPlus? So GoPlus security is built in with threes. First, decentralized security layer, providing comprehensive protection across all the blockchain networks through its open permissions and user-driven architecture. GoPlus can be seamlessly integrated by any blockchain or project to protect their users throughout their entire transaction lifecycle. By leveraging EVS and cutting-edge AI-powered security solutions, it conducts thorough risks analysis and delivers smart, efficient, and decentralized security services for users. GoPlus aims to create a more secure and user-friendly Web3 on-chain interaction environment by filling the gap of security layer in the current blockchain's architecture, providing users with more effective and better experience on-chain security protection. So this is a little bit about the GoPlus token. If you scroll down and keep scroll down, you will see a lot more information about this token. As you can see, the supported network, they have Ethereum, Solana, BNB, to like Tron, Linea, and the SECUEITY, I guess. And as you can see, the wallets they supported is Trust Wallet, Bitget Wallet, MetaMask, and so on. The launchpad, as you can see here, the DeFi, the security, and so on, the trading, also the data analytics they have on, or they are available on CoinGisco and CoinMarketCap. As you can see, so the Web3 user security, you will know more about it. If you keep scrolling, you will be checking these two. As you can see from the sidebar, if you click on any links here, you will be able to know more about this token. So as you can see, the market cap of that token, it's $70.74 million, and volume in the last 24 hours it's $42.59 million, as you can see here. So this token, it's available on like this. So as you can see, if you click on show full width, you will see here all of the exchange platform that this token is available on. So this is the GPS or GoPlus security token. If you find it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.